In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your contact information on eBay. Whether you've got a new email address or phone number, or you simply want to update your profile for better accuracy, this easy to follow guide will have you up to date in no time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Head over to eBay's website and enter your login credentials. If you encounter any issues accessing your account, double check your username and password, and if necessary, use the forgot password option available there. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your desktop screen where you'll see your name or profile icon. Hover over it with your cursor. This will reveal a drop-down menu, which is your gateway to accessing all your account options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Account Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage various aspects of your eBay profile. Once you're in the account settings, look for the personal information option and give it a click. This section is key for making changes to your contact details. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with different portions of your account specifics. Navigate to the contact info section. Here you will find the details tied to your communication preferences. If you're looking to change your email, find and click the edit button located right beside your email address. A prompt will appear allowing you to type in your new email address. After entering the new email, make sure to check your inbox for the verification email eBay will send you. Click on the verification link in the email, and just like that, your email address will be updated. Now, let's move on to updating your phone number. Back in the contact info section, find your phone number and once again, click the edit button beside it. Enter your new number and follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Typically, eBay will send you a text or automated call with the verification code. Enter this code when prompted and your new phone number will be successfully linked to your eBay account. Additionally, it's a good idea to double check that your new contact information is correctly saved in your account settings. This ensures you receive important notifications about your listings, purchases, or any account activity. Keeping your contact details current also helps protect your account from unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated your contact information. Remember, keeping your contact details up to date ensures that eBay can reach you if needed, and it also helps secure your account. If you have any more questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to visit the eBay help section or contact their customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy eBaying!